In this video, we're going to convert from expanded form to standard form. So when we have a problem like this that says, what is 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 8 in standard form? This is the number in expanded form. In standard form, it just means write it as a regular number. So the first step is to use a place value chart. So this column is the 10,000s, this is the thousands, this is the hundreds, this is the tens, and this is the ones. So just to show you what each one looks like, this is what 10,000 looks like, this is what 1,000 looks like, this is what 100 looks like, this is what 10 looks like, and this is what 1 looks like. So the next step is to break down the number into its place value. So if we take the 20,000 first, 20,000 is two 10,000s. So we could fill in the chart there with 2, right? 20,000 is two 10,000s. Then the next number is 3,000. 3,000 is 3,000s. So we just put 3 in the chart there. And here it is. So then we take the next number. 500 is the next number. 500 is 500s. So we just put 5 into the hundreds column. The next number is 50. 50 is the same as 5 tens. So we could just put 5 into the tens column. And then we have 8. 8 is just 8 ones, and we could put 8 in. So this is the number in standard form. This is standard form. So it's 23,558. And that's it. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. You could just rewatch the video. I also have links in my description to other videos like this that I've done in the past that are maybe a little bit simpler. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along with the ebook. It has this exact same lesson in the ebook.